How to change your avatar in Mobile Legends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your avatar or profile picture in Mobile Legends. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, to change your avatar, you simply need to follow these steps. So first, open the game and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you're inside the game, simply tap on a profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you are in a profile section, simply tap on the settings button located in the top right corner of the screen. And from there, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, you simply have to tap on the first option labeled avatar. And after that, a list of available avatars will appear. You simply need to tap on any avatar to preview the changes. And once you have chosen one, you simply need to tap on replace to update your profile. And if you want to upload a custom image, you simply need to go back to the settings again, and from the drop down menu you simply need to tap on avatar. And here you should see a plus icon. If you haven't already set a custom avatar, you simply need to tap on it and select a photo from your gallery, and once you're done selecting it, you can simply hit replace to confirm. And that's it. That's how you can change your avatar in Mobile Legends app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.